Imagine having weak Wi-Fi in one room, while another room gets a perfect signal. Before buying an expensive Wi-Fi extender, look around your home. You might already have the solution sitting in a drawer. An old wireless router. In this video, I'll show you how to connect two routers and turn the second router into a wireless access point. The result is simple. One internet connection, one home network, and better Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Let's start with the basic idea. Router 1 will remain your primary router. Think of it as the manager of your home network. It connects to the internet, assigns network addresses to your devices, and handles the main network functions. Router 2 will act as an additional Wi-Fi access point. Its job is to provide another place for your phones, laptops, smart TVs, and other devices to connect. The final setup will look like this. Internet, Router 1, Ethernet cable, Router 2, and your devices connected through Wi-Fi. First, you need two wireless routers. Use the newer or more powerful router as Router 1. Your older router will become Router 2. The brands don't have to match. The important thing is that Router 2 allows you to change its local IP address and disable its DHCP server. Before configuring anything, make sure Router 1 is already working correctly. Connect your phone or computer to Router 1 and confirm that the internet works. Now find Router 1's local IP address. On many home networks, it looks like 192.168.1.1. Your address may be different, so check your router's administration page. Now, let's configure Router 2. Connect Router 2 directly to your computer using an Ethernet cable. Don't connect it to Router 1 yet. Open a web browser and log in to Router 2's administration page. Find the LAN settings, network settings, or local network settings. Now give Router 2 its own IP address. For example, if Router 1 uses 192.168.1.1, Router 2 could use 192.168.1.2. Both routers are now on the same network, but they have different addresses. Think of it like two houses on the same street. The street is the network, and each house has its own number. Next, check the subnet mask. On many home networks, this is 255.255.255.0. Keep it consistent with Router 1. Now comes one of the most important steps. Find the DHCP server setting on Router 2 and disable it. DHCP automatically gives network addresses to your devices. Think of it like a receptionist handing out room numbers. You only need one receptionist. Router 1 should handle DHCP for the entire network. Router 2 should not. Next, configure Router 2's Wi-Fi. For easier movement between the two access points, use the same Wi-Fi name, also called the SSID, on both routers. Use the same Wi-Fi password, and use the same wireless security mode whenever possible. For example, if Router 1 uses WPA2 Personal, configure Router 2 the same way. Now let's talk about Wi-Fi channels. On the 2.4 GHz band, channels 1, 6, and 11 are commonly used because they reduce channel overlap. For example, Router 1 could use channel 1, while Router 2 uses channel 11. Avoid using the same channel on both routers when possible. Save the settings on Router 2. The router may restart. That's normal. Once it has restarted, disconnect Router 2 from your computer. Now we're ready for the final connection. Take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to a LAN port on Router 1. Connect the other end to a LAN port on Router 2. And this is extremely important. Use a LAN port on Router 2. Do not use the Internet or WAN port for this basic access point setup. Why? Because we're not creating a second network. We're extending the existing network. Think of Router 1 as the main highway. The Ethernet cable connects Router 2 to that highway. Router 2 simply gives your devices another entrance to the same network. Give both routers a moment to establish the connection. Now connect your phone or laptop to the Wi-Fi and test the internet. Walk around your home and test different rooms. You should now have two wireless access points working on the same home network. There's one more thing to understand. Using the same Wi-Fi name and password does not guarantee perfect roaming. Your phone or laptop decides when to switch between access points. Some devices switch quickly. Others may stay connected to a weaker signal for longer. That's normal. If you want advanced roaming, a modern mesh Wi-Fi system may provide a better experience. But for a simple and inexpensive Wi-Fi upgrade, an old router can be surprisingly useful. Let's quickly recap. Router 1 is your primary router. Router 2 uses a different IP address on the same network. DHCP stays enabled on Router 1. DHCP is disabled on Router 2. Use the same Wi-Fi name and password if desired. Use different Wi-Fi channels where appropriate. And most importantly, connect LAN to LAN, not LAN to WAN. Your final setup is simple. Internet, Router 1, Ethernet cable, Router 2, and better Wi-Fi coverage. So, before spending money on another Wi-Fi extender, check that old router sitting in your closet. With the right configuration, you can give it a second life and expand your home network for almost no extra cost. If this guide helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more practical networking tutorials, and check out the next video for another useful home networking tip.